subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
ZTE has launched its new flagship phone under Axon series called ZTE Axon 30 Pro and Axon 30 Ultra. Among these two, the ZTE Axon 30 Ultra is the higher variant with more features. Talking about the specifications, the ZTE Axon 30 Ultra features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus Curve AMOLED display with up to 144Hz refresh rate and 300Hz touch sampling rate. The screen supports HDR10+, and on the top, it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset, paired with Adreno 660 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8, 12 or 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB or 1TB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the camera, the ZTE Axon 30 Ultra supports a quad camera setup on the rear in a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 64MP main camera with Sony IMX686 sensor plus another 64MP camera with 35mm lens plus one more 64MP ultra wide angle lens with 120° field of view and a 8MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom support. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of shooting 8K videos at 30 frames per second, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. For selfies, it has an 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top center. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with myOS 11 skin on top. The device comes equipped by 4600 mAh battery that supports 66W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with VC liquid cooling system that helps to maintain the phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.53 by 72.96 by 8mm and it weighs around 188 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The ZTE Axon 30 Ultra has been priced in China for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 4,698 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 4,998 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 16GB plus 1TB storage option is priced at 6,666 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in black, white and mint color options along with the vegan leather version, and the smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from April 19th. So what do you guys think of this ZTE Axon 30 Ultra smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.